Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to keep background audio at the same volume throughout your course in Articulate Storyline 360. First, open your course in Articulate Storyline 360. Next, click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Select Audio. Then, click Background Audio. Click Create Playlist. Add your background audio file. Then, click OK. Now, preview the slide.
Welcome to the Cybersecurity course. Module 9, Cybersecurity Compliance. Click Start to begin the module.
You'll notice that the background music becomes quieter when slide audio plays. The volume increases again when the slide audio stops. Let's fix this so the background audio stays at the same volume. First, close the preview. Create a new trigger on this slide. Set the trigger to run when the timeline starts. Set the action variable name to player.backgroundVolume. Enter the volume level you want to use. Then, click OK. Next, go to Audio and click Background Audio again. Select the playlist you added earlier. Remove any slide-related settings. Then, click OK. Now, preview the entire project again.
Welcome to the Cybersecurity course. Module 9, Cybersecurity Compliance. Click Start to begin the module. Cybersecurity compliance involves following the laws, rules, and guidelines that help protect sensitive information and data from being stolen or misused. This area is important for all businesses, as it helps to handle data responsibly and securely.
You will see that the background audio stays at the same volume for the entire module. That's it. You've learned how to maintain a consistent, lowered background audio volume across your course in Articulate Storyline 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.